Guys, hi guys. We are going to discuss about infertility and low sperm count problems in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows. First one is list of wood pressed oils. Wood pressed oils are also called as bull driven oils. Okay, then list of concoctions you have to take. Then diet plan with millets. The important part is exercise. And last one, what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, so these are the bull driven oils you have to take. Okay, if you don't get bull driven oils, at least take wood pressed oils or cold pressed oils. Okay, but it is always preferable to have bull driven oils. Okay, first week you have to consume coconut oil on empty stomach. Empty stomach, you know, right? If you want to drink water, you can drink water early in the morning. If you drink one liter of water, wait for 1 hour and then drink these oils. Okay, after these oils you have to wait for another half an hour. Okay, how much oil you have to take? You have to take 2 to 3 spoons. Okay, full 2 to 3 spoons early in the morning on empty stomach. Okay, first week take coconut oil, second week safflower oil. Okay, third week niger seeds oil. Okay, then after 3 weeks you have to repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, then the concoctions part, I will show you the leaves first. First tamarind tree leaves. Okay, first week this one. Next drumstick leaves. How many leaves you have to take, that also I have to tell now. For tamarind, because the leaf is very small, you have to take at least 4 or 5. Okay, the big thing, the whole thing. Okay, small particles, if you count, they add up to 50 or 60. Okay, so this big thing you have to take 4 or 5. Drumstick leaves 20 to 25 leaves. Sacred fig leaves take 3 to 4 sufficient, because the leaf is quite big enough. Neem leaves take 15 to 20. Okay, but while drinking neem leaves concoction or kasaya, you have to add palm jaggery in it. Okay, why? Because it is better in taste, so advisable to add palm jaggery. Okay, betel leaves, then Indian mallow leaves you have to take 3 to 4. 4 is quite uh, 4 is quite enough. Okay, betel leaves take 2, very big, right? 2 is 2 enough. Next one is mango leaves 3 to 4, depending upon the size of the leaf. If this is the leaf, you have to take 3 sufficient. Okay, so this is the plan of concoctions. First week you will take tamarind tree leaves, second week drumstick leaves, third week sacred fig leaves, fourth week neem leaves, fifth week betel leaves, sixth week Indian mallow leaves, seventh week mango leaves, mango tree leaves or mango leaves. Okay, and after seventh week you will go to first week. You will repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the problem. Okay, if you do not find any one or two of the above leaves, they can be easily found out. But if you don't find, let's say you didn't get this uh, which leaves I have to say, Indian mallow leaves. Okay, remove this one, take this one for sixth week. After that repeat the sequence. Okay, still you continue with the remaining concoctions. That is what I want to say. Second important thing is 30 minutes gap is needed between uh, cold pressed oils or wood pressed oils and concoction. Okay, if you consume that oil first, then you wait for 30 minutes and then have concoction. After drinking concoction, you have to wait for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour to have your next meal. Okay, these are the two important notes. Okay, then in the food, uh, 3 times a day, if you eat 3 times a day, you have to eat little millets only 3 times a day for 3 days. Okay, if you are consuming only for 2 meals a day, yeah, take little millets only for those 2 meals, like that. Little millets for 3 days, kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard millet for 1 day, foxtail millet for 1 day, brown top millet for 1 day. This is 7 day schedule, 1 week schedule. So alternatively you have to eat for this 7-day schedule and repeat this sequence till you recover from that problem. Okay, no rice, bread, wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. How to cook millets? There are two ways: cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Okay, cooking millets: add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top vessel or in a pressure cooker, but avoid pressure cooking if you have good amount of time. Making millet porridge: use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Right, once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, tie the top of the vessel using cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours. Let it ferment and then eat. Okay, this is rich source of vitamin B12 also. And which method is better? This is better. Okay, millet porridge is better than uh, making it like a rice. Okay, how many times better I don't know, but whatever the disease you have, it will be cured in less time if you make millet porridge rather than rice. Okay, coming to the most important part, exercise is necessary. You have to walk for at least 1 hour in a day, and this time you have to increase slowly day by day. Okay, next, foods to avoid: all milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. Yeah, you can consume palm jaggery, dates and honey. Okay, these three are substitutes for sugar and jaggery. Okay, healthy substitutes: wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products. Polished millets also you shouldn't take, polished or refined millets, refined oils. Okay, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods you have to avoid, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods. Okay, next you are going to look at how to make concoction. We are taking neem leaves. Okay, all concoctions, the procedure is same. Okay, let's see how to make concoction. First you need to boil the water a little bit. Okay, once the water gets boiled, you have to uh, keep neem leaves in the boiling water. Okay, these neem leaves have to be washed thoroughly using running water. Okay, thereafter close the lid and then wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it has to be boiled in the low flame only. Okay, after 2 to 3 minutes you can switch off the stove. It just got boiled now. You have to wait for at least 3 minutes again. Okay, after boiling, and you have to keep the lid closed only. Okay, 3 minutes is completed. Now you have to filter it using any filter. Okay, after filtering you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay, slowly you have to drink sip by sip. Okay, yeah, so this is neem leaves concoction or neem leaves kashaya. So this is how it looks. You have to take a spoon and drink it sip by sip. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.